In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change speech language in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where this setting lives and how to switch it so Claude's voice features match the language you prefer. This is especially helpful if you're multilingual, practicing a new language, or just want the speech experience to feel more natural and accurate. Start by opening Claude and looking toward the very top left corner of the screen. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots. Think of this as the More or Overflow menu. Click those 3 dots to open the main menu. If your window is narrow, the icon can be a bit tucked away, so don't hesitate to expand the window or scroll the sidebar a touch if you don't spot it right away. Also, be sure you're clicking the 3 dots at the top left of the app itself, not any dots that might appear inside a specific conversation. Next, choose Profile from the menu. Profile is the hub for personal preferences and account-related settings, and it's where Claude groups options that change how the app behaves for you. If you see your avatar or a small profile icon, that's the same place. Click it to open the profile area. Inside the profile section, look for the option labeled Speech Language. This setting controls the language used by Claude's speech features, such as speaking responses aloud and understanding you during voice interactions. Adjusting it ensures pronunciation, recognition, and phrasing feel right for your needs, which can make a big difference in clarity and comfort. Click Speech Language to open the list of available languages, then select your preferred language. The change typically applies immediately, so you don't need to restart anything. If the list is long, take a moment to scroll carefully and choose the exact variant that matches what you want. After you pick you're all set, the app will now use the language you selected for speech. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the 3-dot menu, make sure you're on the main Claude screen rather than deep inside a chat. If speech language isn't visible in profile, check that you're using the latest version of the app or refresh your browser tab. And if your environment has multiple users or profiles, confirm you're adjusting the correct one so your change takes effect where you expect. That's it. You clicked the 3 dots, opened profile, found speech language, and selected your preferred option. With that simple change, your Claude speech experience should feel more natural and tailored to you.